Hi everyone, today I'm here with a pattern review of the double pocket pouch. And this pattern offers practical storage for both your sunglasses, your credit cards, all the essentials for what you're taking along with you when you're out and about. So I thought I'd start out by sharing with you the actual eyeglass case that I carry with me every day and why I love it so much. So this is the double pocket pouch, and it offers me the option to store 3 different types of glasses. So I have my readers that are sunglasses in one pocket. I have my traditional readers that I put in the center opening pocket. So it's really the triple pocket pouch. And then I have my handy dandy sunglasses that I can't live without. So there you go. And as you can see, fun to plan two contrasting fabrics when you're making this. So how much fabric does it take to make this? It takes 2 fat quarters. And what I thought I'd do today is to take you through some of the features, show you some fabric lines that we've really had fun making these up with, and give you a few tips here and there on things. So to start out with, I thought I'd show you the way that you can make a pair. So the pouch also has the smaller case in the pattern. So you have the larger case for the glasses and the smaller case for the credit cards, coins. And as far as materials, you'll also need like a medium weight interfacing when you're making this to give your fabric the body it needs. I have fun picking out buttons. You can see here a couple Dritz buttons we found. The fabric line is Sunnyside from Amy Smart, and it's for Riley Blake Fabrics. And they have a wonderful collection of fabrics to choose from. So you can see where we did a contrast on the flap and then did the coin purse in that fabric to make a fun pair. Think of these are perfect gifts, practical, something people would use every day, and when they use them, they'll remember you. You had made them for them. So that is the Amy Smart's line. Next up, I have a favorite fabric designer out there that is very well known. His name's Kaffe Fassett, and this is his line, one of his lines. And you can see where we use the combination again of 2 prints, a larger print and then a smaller print on the flap and for the case. Now on this version, we went ahead and used a snap. So there you can see the Dritz snap, but keep in mind you could also use Velcro. And the Velcro that we recommend you using is a Velcro that's made specifically for fabrics. So you're going to want to follow the instructions very carefully and let the adhesive set plenty of time, and then you'll get the full bond for those Velcro. Because they are no fun to sew the Velcro dots on. It's a challenge. You'll need a thimble if you're going to be actually hand sewing. And remember, you'll also sew on a button as well before you put your snap on or your Velcro. So at least I like the button detail on these. Then I'm going to show you another line. This is from RJR Fabrics. And you can see where we had fun choosing 2 different colors of buttons. And again, 2 contrasting lines. And in here, what I did is show you, of course, you've got your glasses option, but on this one, I tried my cell phone and it fits right in. So this size is wide enough to be able to hold a cell phone as well as glasses. And that's Art Gallery. And I believe the line is called Flora or something similar to that, this Cactus Flora. And that's this print right here that I'm talking about. So one final sample to show you from Rifle Paper. And this is an example where we made the eyeglass case all in one fabric. So you have the option to use 2 different fabrics or a single fabric. And again, this just shows you the fact that there's 3 different spots for your glasses or your phone. This pattern You can go to your local quilt or fabric store and ask them to order it from Indigo Junction, or you can go to our website and find the double pocket pouch. We sell it both as a PDF and as a print pattern. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and sign up for our e-newsletter to keep up to date on all our pattern reviews. Thanks so much for watching.